Hello everyone, Happy New Year. I'm just popping on with a random live because I've got some info for you about my new up and coming workshop. So I'm going to give you some information and show you what's involved. I'm going to move my coffee because the day I've been having, I will probably knock that over. There we go. So tomorrow the Spring Summer catalogue and the Celebration catalogue goes live. And my workshop will be based on products that are available in here. I can't show you this today. I can show you it tomorrow, and at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon I have an event on my Facebook page saying with a walkthrough and all the information about the catalogue. So I have to wait till 4 p.m. tomorrow to look at that. Right, so I'm offering an online or an in-person workshop. So what you will get is, let's get these bits and bobs out. So I've started it. I made this one. So this will be one of the cards you make. And I will send you the kit for this card and 5 other projects. I cannot send you the stamped images because we're not allowed to do that because of Stampin' Up rules. But there is an option to get that. So what you'll get is 5 projects, and as this is my first one, you'll also get a bonus one. So this is for anybody who's interested in crafting, just wants to try it and see how they get on, but gets really overwhelmed with loads and loads of product and they don't know what to do with it. So this focuses on one suite, 4 different options, and I'm going to go through those in a minute. So it's a try it type of class. You don't need to have any skill. If you attend my online event, then I will be giving you tutorials for each card and how to put them together. If you attend the in-person event, then again I will be showing you how to put things together and supplying glues and inks and stamps and all the rest of it. So the stamp set we're going to be using is beautiful Butterfly Gala, and this is the Butterfly Gala suite. Hang on. Need some coffee. Hang on. So in the suite, you get the punch and the stamp set available separately all together, and you get 10% off. You get the self-adhesive sequins, which are in, you can see them, in flowers and normal round sequins. What else is in it? I've got to check. Oh, there's a white flack ribbon that I don't actually have because, hang on, I'm just flicking. Yeah, white flaxseed ribbon, and then there's a cardstock pack. So you can get, this isn't the right colour, but you get a pack of A4 cardstock. You get 8 sheets with each colour, and there's 24 sheets altogether. So you'll get the coordinating colours for that. Right, the colours in this suite are Grapefruit Grove, Lemon Lime Twist. Should have got these out before I started. Balmy Blue, Highland Heather, and Daffodil Delight. So that's the colours in the suite. So that's what colours your sequins are, and it also comes with this 6x6 gingham paper. And so on one side you get squares, big squares. On the other side you get small ones, and then that pack contains 40 sheets, so you get 10 of each. So that is the suite as it stands. During celebration, when you spend £45, for each £45 you get to choose some free product from the celebration catalogue. So there's 3 things that coordinate with this suite that you can get for free. First one is this designer series paper. So we've got that on that side, and then on the other side it's black and white. We've also got some wooden embellishments. So there's that one. I think there's 84 pieces in this set, so you get 2 and then another 2. And then we have a 4-pack of ribbon. Oh hello, that one's gone on a bit strange. Got a 4-pack of ribbon again, which is also free if you with £45 spend. So for the workshop, I'll be using all of these things, and there's different options available to you. So let's move that out the way and that out the way. So like I said, you'll get 5 projects. This is one, and then I've got this one as well, which is a desk calendar. It stands up like that. It does. If I take my finger out. So you'll get everything in the kit, 5 kits, to make all of the projects apart from the stamped images. But you know, if you've got a stamp set, you can use sentiments and different things from there. So option 1 is the 5 projects of these card kits, and you'll get everything you need. You will get either to come to the event or the online access to the private online tutorials. That is £10. Or if you're actually a member of my Stampin' Up team, then it's the card kit is free to you. So that's option 1. Option 2 is, can you tell I'm reading this off a bit of paper? The stamp set, which is £20, and the card kit, which is 10, so that comes out at 30. Then option 3 is the stamp set and the punch. Is that in view? No, I've moved my grid paper and I don't know where I'm to. So you get the stamp set and the punch. So as a bundle you save 10%, so that's £33.25. Add the project kit for £10 comes out at £43.25. And then option 4 is the bundle again. That bundle. A coloured ink pad of your choice. So let's say that one. And then the Memento Black for stamping images and sentiments. That comes to £45.75, so that then qualifies you for a free celebration product of your own, and you'll get the card kit absolutely free. There are other things you may need if you don't already have them. So you will need other inks if you wish to have other inks, or you can just have the one colour. A D block, which is this one, and adhesive of your choice. If you'll come into my workshop in person, then I will bring all those things with me, so you don't need those things. What else can I tell you? Where's the terms and conditions? The workshop is open to people over the age of 12. If you come to my event and you are under 18, then you'll need to bring an adult with you. And I can't find that bit of information. I didn't print that. Like I say, I cannot send you stamped images. I can only send you punched out images and the card cut and ready to go for the projects. Whereas if you come to the class, you stamp them out yourself. The closing date will be the 12th. To order will be the 12th of January. What I'll need is you to email me with your name, your option, your payment choice, so I can take Bax or PayPal, and your postal address. If you would like to gift the class, then I would need all those details, but I also need the address for the person you wish to be sent to, so that I can forward it on to them and send them, you know, as a gift type of thing. What else have I got to tell you? So the closing date is the 12th. The online class will go live in a private video on YouTube on the 28th of January. I am hoping to have the venue sorted out, and I'm hoping for the 28th of January at 1 PM. That will be local to me in Wincanton. If you need information on how to get here, if you want to come from further afield, then please do get in touch, and then I can give you the relevant information. I will be confirming on my blog the time and date as soon as I've got it sorted out, but obviously with Christmas and things have been a bit, you know, busy and stretched out. So I'm not sure if any of that made sense. If you'd like to find out the full information, it is all over on my blog at craftyourbestlife.co.uk. I have written it out there in proper English that makes more sense than what I'm saying, to be fair. So yeah, so that's your options, and they're all listed there, and I will list them in the comments for this video also, so it makes sense. When you order, we have a host code. So when you check out, it asks you for a host code, and you put in the host code, and then at the end of the month, all the purchases come together. The host rewards are then divided up to everybody who's shopped there. If you want to purchase the kit, you obviously need to contact me, because that is by me, not through Stampin' Up. If you want to order any of the other options, then you need to either, well, you'll need to email me, and you can either give me your order, or you can go directly to my online store from, I think it's about 11 AM tomorrow, and view all the products and order your own, and it will be delivered straight to you. So either way, it makes, you know, I'm happy to do either or. So I think that's it. Don't know if any of that made sense really, but there we go. I haven't done a Facebook Live for a few weeks, and I feel a little bit like I've forgotten what I'm doing. Other news, I am doing a paper share or a paper sample. So the paper share is a quarter of each pack of cardstock of Designer Series paper. The paper share is 1 6x6 sheet of each Designer Series paper, but again, that is over on my blog. There's a blog post called Paper Share over there at craftyourbestlife.co.uk. If anybody's got any questions, do get in touch, and I'll bobble off now and go and feed the family. Thanks very much for your time. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.